What's up everyone, Simulator Shane here, and today I have the collective installed in the cockpit. And it's not just installed, it's installed and it's hooked up to the sensor which senses its position. So there's the sensor there, that you can see the magnet is attached to the collective, and that rotates when the collective goes up and down. And then the sensor is there, and that's attached to the helicopter's frame, and that goes down to the flight control board, which goes into the software which does the simulation. So with the collective installed and functional, now I have a functional cyclic, anti-torque pedals, and collective, which means there's no need for any joystick or keyboard or mouse or anything in this cockpit anymore. So I can fly just based on the actual aircraft's controls, which is great because now it feels amazing to fly. So I'll give you a quick little demo. So just like in the other videos, putting in a bit of left pedal for the torque, lifting the collective now with my left hand, you can see there, and I'll pick it up off the ground. There it is. It's a bit hard to fly and talk and do a video at the same time, but I'm getting better. But as you can see, I can now control where the helicopter points with the pedals, its position over the ground with the cyclic, and its vertical height with the collective. So lowering it there, we go down towards the ground, and raising the collective back up, we fly away from the ground. So there you have it, guys. All the primary flight controls are fully functional and installed. And just like all the other controls, the collective is duplicated on the other side of the cockpit. So you can see there, it's a bit hard to fly forwards and look backwards, but you can see it's connected between the right seat and the left seat, behind the seat there, and the passenger's collective goes up and down in sync with mine. And because X-Plane does such a good job of modeling the aircraft's correct feel and response, and also the Dreamfoil R22 I have running, now that I have full size controls with the full lengths and all the correct throws and everything hooked into that simulation, it really does give a really convincing flight control feel. All the dynamics are pretty close to the real helicopters. See, when you make an input, all the side effects are all there, and you have to sort of battle to keep the hover just as much as you do in the real aircraft. So I'll try and put it back down the runway here. So I'm back in a hover. And once we're stable, keeping it straight with the pedals, I'll just lower the collective. And there it is. And lower the collective all the way down. So there you have it, guys. All the flight controls installed and fully functional. See you later.